Okay, so this time we're taking a look at the Plamatea Angela Balzac and Moderoid new Arhan from Expelled from Paradise. So I'm actually a big fan of Masatsugu Saito, the guy who did the art for character designs in Xenoblade 2 and 3. You can see like she just looked kind of like Mifra. Mifra is basically just her, but in a different outfit and without a. Actually, no, she does have a cool robot. Yeah, same character basically. So this thing comes with a lot of, not that many runners actually, but they're all. Like the color separation is pretty good, so once it's all put together, it almost looks pretty seamless, like, you know, minus like the obvious like joints and everything. But the hardest part about building this thing was the hair. The hair was so ridiculous, and you see it comes with a bunch of like hair parts, and then the legs, like it just like it only has one face, and then the other faces you have to put decals on, and I really don't like that. I hate when they do that. And overall, it's pretty simplistic, I think, as a kit. It's just that, like, it has a lot of extra attachments you have to put on her body. Like, all these extra parts you see here, and then the decals. Like, you have to do all this extra stuff, but ultimately, she's not that difficult. Just because, like, you connect, you know, the arms and legs and everything work fine. The chest is pretty good. And, like, the hair is honestly the hardest part. I just don't like how they did the hair, but you can see, like, it's not that many pages. You're actually supposed to get these two in a bundle, but for whatever reason they didn't, so I wasn't able to, so I had to get them separately. But it's not too many steps, and by the time you're done with her, you'll kind of be left wanting more. So that's the reason why we have the new Arhan. And the new Arhan looks sick. Like, look at it on the box. The box itself is not super impressive, but the front and back are the cool part. Because you can see how cool it looks in the front there, and then in the back you just see, like, it can turn into like a ball thing. It can, like, it has a ball-shaped body, but like these really big arms and legs. And it comes with, this one actually does come with a pretty good amount of runners. But the good part is that a lot of the pieces are fairly big. So, but yeah, they take up a lot of space, but they're actually not that many pieces. It's just that it's a bigger robot, and it's bigger than her. So I think it's pretty cool. And it comes with this big-ass shield. I like the shield, especially when you put all the stuff on it. And then this is an extra thing for the egg-shaped thingamajig, but I didn't put that together. And then it has like these orangey gold parts and green clear parts. I don't like that the orange parts don't really match the actual painted gold that some of the parts have, like, pre-painted on. And I do like the blue, but I think, like, you know, there's not enough detail because you have to panel line some of it. But overall, I do think that the colors and everything on it are good. But you see, here's the problem: stickers. It's too many stickers. This thing was such a pain in the ass to put the stickers on, and after a certain point, I just kind of gave up on the stickers. And you can see, like, this thing is pretty dense. Like, building the chest alone is like 3 pages or something. It's like, why is there so many damn steps just to build the chest? And like so many things, like, you know, to put everything together, put stickers, but yeah, and then you can like transform it and put it into that egg mode. And I think overall these two kits are great together and they work well, so let's check them out right now. Okay, and here's Angela. I did these two guys separately at different times, but Angela was first, and even without paint, it's not really lacking in the details. Like her design and colors are fairly simplistic. It's just blonde hair, white suit, and then black like details and green like glowy part. So she even has the thigh thing on her leg, like Mifra. Like this dude loves doing that. Like if they make Xenoblade kits in the future, I'm assuming they'll be a lot like this, but hopefully they come with more faces that have decals already on them. But the simplicity of her design and everything is so cool. Like just look at it. I wish that the arms had more range because they only go like 90 degrees, and she can't really balance too well because of her crazy hair and also the feet. And then look at this guy, he looks so cool, and he has a big ass gun. It's kind of hard to put the gun on, but like, it's so cool. And the shield, like, you don't have to put any extra stickers or anything on it, you could panel on it to make it look good, but see these little rivets here? You gotta put stickers on all those fucking rivets on both sides, so I didn't even bother. I was like, you know what, screw it. But like, the kind of satin matte finish on the blue, like pre-molded, like it looks so nice. And yeah, there's some stickers you gotta put on him, like in the visor, but the green clear part's kind of like separated, so it looks really nice. And you can see like the orangey parts are kind of dull looking, like they're not super bright and vibrant. And here you can see the two of them together, and this is how I would display them if I didn't separate my anime girls and my robots. But I love that they go so well together, and I do kind of want to get the other robot, like the original white ones, like more round, but the new Arhan is pretty cool, and so is she. So just look at how nicely they fit together. I don't know why I'm shaking the camera so much, but yeah, I really like this set. It was kind of a doozy to build just because you had to do two kits, like one that wasn't super hard and then one that was like kind of complex, but overall, I think these kits like, combined together are a really awesome combination, and I'm looking into maybe doing more dual builds if the theme is appropriate. So yeah, Angela and new Arhan are pretty awesome, so that's it, see ya.